Ah, look at my lovely kitchen. The only thing is, I see a huge mess on the counter. Who is going to clean that up? I have to leave for work in 5 minutes. Well, I have an idea. It's not a human, it's a machine. A dishwasher. It's super easy and quick to use. Just open the door and pull the rack in the middle. Then take a dirty cup and place it in the rack. No, not like that. Otherwise it won't clean. Put it the other way around. Yes, just like that. And where do I put my cutlery, you might think? Well, not in the middle rack. There's a special rack at the top of the dishwasher. Put it over there, so it won't fall. Well, great. Now, let's fill up the dishwasher and empty our kitchen counter. So, close the door, and before it can finish its job, we need a tablet. I use the brand Finish. Then put it in the right compartment and close it. The only thing we need to do now is to pick our program and press start. Just like that. Yes, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Wait a couple of hours and you have your clean dishes.